What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm 7Beats and today I'm gonna show you how to create a really awesome dancehall beat from scratch. Make sure to check out my most recent dancehall sample pack. I've just released this one, and this one includes all the samples you need to create really awesome dancehall beats. So let's get right into it. So first set the BPM to 100, and right now I'm gonna create a chord progression. So I'm gonna use the Whirly V2. I really like to use this dark ballad preset. I'm gonna create this melody in F minor. So I'm gonna start off with this G and this G sharp. This A, turn this one up. Duplicate this one of the melody and adjust the G flat is equal to this D flat right here. As you can hear, already it sounds really good. Just copy this one like this and adjust this A flat to G sharp. So right now I've played around with the melody. So really make sure not all the notes are hitting at the same time. So make sure to drag them around just at random. And right now it sounds like this. And right now I'm going to add a vocal sample. So I'm going to use Arcade for this one. I'm going to use the distant voices. So I'm using this Angel Breath preset. I'm going to set the key to F minor. This one right here, the piano roll. And just play around with this one. Maybe turn down the velocity a little bit. So I've made the note a little bit shorter because at the end of the sample it's just picking up something which I don't like. So I'm gonna leave it this way. Right now I'm going to add a bass line, so I'm going to use Serum for this one. Enable oscillator B. Turn this one down one semitone. Turn up the unison for just a little bit of detune, a filter. This one right here. MG low 24. A little bit of resonance. I'm going to use this note right here, like this. And I think I'm going to use this F flat right here, is F. Maybe turn down the cut up a little bit more. Maybe that's some detune. So right now I'm going to add some drums. So I've just selected some samples from my sample pack. And I'm going to start off with this clap, this one. And I'm going to create something really unique. So this right in the beginning. So I'm gonna layer this human clap with the original clap. And this will be a really basic pattern like this. Turn up the volume. So I'm going to add this thumb, this one. And I'm going to layer it with the clap. So I'm going to copy the human clap pattern to the thumb. Remove this one. Alright, now I'm going to add the open head, this one. Still just really simple. So I'm just gonna create a really basic pattern like this. Maybe make the notes a little bit shorter. And just play around with the velocity. And add something which really adds some bounce to the beat. So I'm selecting a half step right here. So I can make an adjustment like this. I think that's really awesome like this. I'm gonna make an adjustment to the melody right here. So maybe just then pitch the hat right here. Create something like this. I'm gonna add some swing to the beat. Turn down the velocity. So right now I'm going to add the kick, this one. Open up the piano roll. I think this pattern already sounds awesome. Turn it down, so in key. But I think the bass line is really boring, so I'm going to add something like a short bass. So I'm going to use analog lap 5. So I found this plugged bass, this one. I'm going to copy the bass line melody into this one right here. So right now I've created a pattern like this. I'm going to bass. But I'm going to turn off the high. But right now I'm going to cut off the high frequencies. So I'm going to link this one to the mixer. And I'm going to add an EQ. And I'm using the Pro Q3. And use a high cut filter. And also reduce the frequencies right here. Around 125 Hertz. Maybe add a note right here. Maybe do the same with the bass line. So I think this one already sounds really awesome, and right now I'm going to create a really simple arrangement. So right now I've created a really simple arrangement, and this is just to show you how you can arrange all the elements which I've just created. So chords and a vocal. Plug and the drums, kick and chords. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to leave the thumbs up, it really helps me. Also make sure to let me know in the comments what you think of this beat, and maybe you have a suggestion what you want to see in one of my next videos, so make sure to drop it down below, and see you guys in one of my next tutorials.